In our quiz, we have to answer questions 5 and 6 from chapters 2 of the review questions. So here is question 5. We'll do this one first. We are going to draw this triangle first and determine the length for the first blank and the angle right here for the second blank. And also it's important to note that the dimensions are in inches. So before you get started in AutoCAD, make sure that your units are in dimensions. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a line at we'll just say the first point is 0, 0, enter. And then I'm going to turn on my ortho mode to make it where I can only draw in horizontal or vertical lines. So the first line will be 4, enter. The second line will be 3.5, enter. And our third line, I'm going to turn ortho mode off, and that will be over here, escape. Also, I want to note that I have my running snap on, so if I click here, you can see endpoint is on, which is why I could easily snap the lines to the endpoints. All right, so now we can measure the distance from here to here. So the length of that line is 5.315. And then we can measure the angle from this line to this line, and that will be 41 degrees. So that is the answer to the first problem. The second problem says to create the following drawing, line AB is tangent to both circles, and then we will fill in the blanks again. Length equals blank, angle equals blank, and dimensions are in inches. So we will draw two circles that this line is tangent to. So this line is tangent to both of these circles. I'll have this circle centered at 0, 0, and this circle centered at 4, 0. All right, I'll use the selection window to delete that triangle. Okay, I'll do a center diameter circle at 0, 0, enter. And then the diameter for that is 2, enter. And then we'll do a center diameter circle at 4, 0. And the diameter for that one is 4, enter. And then we will draw a line that is tangent. So we'll use our object snap toolbar, tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle, escape. Okay, and we will use our measure again. So we want to measure the distance, the length of this line to this line. That will be 3.8730, then escape. And then we want to measure the angle from here to this 0 degree line. So let's draw that. I'll draw a line. I want to use ortho mode. My line will start here, and then we can just draw it wherever, however long you want, then escape. Then we can use measure again and calculate the angle from here to here. And we can see that this angle is 14